لما تصل للمرحلة اللي ما تقدر تتحمل فيها أكثر، تذكر لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. ولما تشعر بالتعب وتكون منهك جدا، تذكر واصبر لحكم ربك فإنك بأعيننا. ولما تستوعب صعوبة موقفك، صعوبة الأمور، وتعتقد أنها استعصت، تذكر إنهم يرونه بعيدا ونراه قريبا. ولما تفقد الأمل وتشعر بأنها النهاية، تذكر عزيزي لا
These red velvet cake balls are so easy to make and they taste amazing. They're basically cake pops without the sticks, but you could absolutely make these into cake pops. You can use any flavour cake mix and icing, but I think red velvet and cream cheese is my favourite. I actually added extra food colouring to mine to make it super bright. I then popped the balls in the fridge and covered them in white chocolate. Let them set in the fridge and that's it. Enjoy!
No oven, jiggly fluffy chiffon cake. First, borrow 3 eggs from a cute chicken. Send sugar and oil as new friends. Mix well before milk joins. Sieve cake flour and cornstarch to remove unpleasant lumps. The batter will be smooth and fine. After adding vanilla, let's beat egg whites over low speed. Sugar will be given in 3 batches. Until firm peaks, start mixing 1/3 egg whites into the batter. Mix it from under to up and then bring the back around. Spread out the batter evenly, then steam for 30 minutes over medium heat. Ta-da! Moist and fluffy!
Oreo French toast with Oreo syrup. First thing you're going to want to do is crush up a bunch of Oreos, then set it aside. In a bowl, combine eggs with a little bit of milk and some of those crushed Oreos. I use thick cut bread, but you can use any bread you want and dunk it in the egg Oreo mixture. On a medium pan, fry each side for roughly 1 minute. For the Oreo syrup, combine some powdered sugar with a little bit of milk and the crushed up Oreos. Careful not to overmix it or else it'll turn gray. Stack your Oreo French toast, I'm a 3-stack guy, and then cover it in the Oreo syrup. Garnish with a little bit more crushed up Oreos.